All right, today we got a new product for you, secondary rollers for newer turbos and newer Rangers. Before we get to it, Hunterworks belt, best on the planet. Check them out. Also check out our other YouTube channel, Hunterworks Outdoors, see what me and old Hunter's up to on our property over there. So secondary rollers, the ones in question today, the ones we're gonna talk about today, fit a 21 and newer turbo RZR. So if it's a Turbo R, Pro Turbo, etc., just not a Pro R, which is not even a turbo model, and 21 and newer Ranger XP, that's the key to this, XP 1000, any of the models, not a single overhead cam Ranger 1000 XP. So secondary looks like this. We're gonna have a how-to video here in a minute, show you how to do it, how to take them off. But the gist of it is I'll take this off, is that the factory rollers are just not that great. They fail. I'm not a big fan of this material. I believe it's called Torlon. It doesn't hold up as well. And so we've been really slow to get these rolled out. We've been making secondary rollers for the non-turbo forever. This is just one of the three that you'll be putting in here. It is, even though it looks the same material as our secondary rollers we use in our non-turbo, they're not. One of the reasons we have never done inside rollers before is because the cost of the material used in these just costs so much more, and actually the OE rollers on the non-turbos do a really good job, but the outside one's flat spot. So enter in the turbos and the Rangers, the OEs are cracking, flat spot, breaking, etc. And we had to go to some really high dollar and exotic plastics running through our processes, cryogenic, heat treat, nanoparticles. So when you get them, they're gonna be real dusty and white. Don't wipe them off. So we got a 3-roller set. They're available on the website. It's one listing, but it tells you what it fits. Check that out. Like I said, it's on the turbo page and on the Ranger XP page. We'll get Hunter to put a link in the description, and hopefully the shop part below here on YouTube will show up. So get you some of our better made secondary rollers, put them in while you're doing a clutch kit. No tools required, which is pretty cool. So check them out. Make sure you check out our belt, subscribe, like, and check out our other YouTube channel, Hunterworks Outdoors. Thank you.